Guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to make money from the comfort of your home doing what you love. If this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new here, if you're new to this channel, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know your meet you, where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. First thing on my list here is this. Do you know that you can set up a content creation or social media management agency? Yes, so you can make good money every month. All you need to do is apply to business to create content for them and manage their social media. As we speak, I have a virtual assistant that manages my social media posts. So yes, and she gets paid every month. You can look for businesses and you send them a DM. It's allowed. A lot of business owners are even struggling right now. They are struggling with posting on social media, showing up every time on social media, especially new and upcoming businesses. You can just send them a DM and relieve them of that role, that responsibility. So yes, go ahead, reach out to them and you'll be surprised you have a job. Yes. So guys, another niche that you can focus on is community management. Yes, you can learn how to set up, grow and manage communities on Discord, communities on Facebook. It's a big hit, especially in the Web3 world. I checked this app, a few times a day and I fill out a simple surveys and you know what? You can make good money. Yes, from these app. You can make several hundreds of dollars doing surveys on this app in your spare time. One of the survey sites I'm going to share with you is Slice the Pie. Yes, Slice the Pie is one of these apps that you should check out. They pay users to review music and fashion. Yes, you can earn money for every review that you write and payments are made every day through PayPal. Another website here is QMe. Yes, QMe.com. So guys, QMe is a survey and reward site that pays its users in cash for their opinions. And you can earn money by taking surveys, searching the web, or even shopping online. Payments are also made daily through PayPal. The third app on my list here is called Respondent. Respondent is a platform that pays its users to participate in market research studies. You can earn up to $150 per hour and payments are made daily through PayPal. The next one on my list is InstaGC. InstaGC is a survey and reward website that pays its users in cash and gives cards. You can also earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. This one I'm about to say is very funny. Yes, you can't do it, it's okay. Do you know you can sell feet pictures? Yes, pictures of your feet, just pictures. Yes, and some of the websites where you can do that is called scentedpansy.com, scentedpansy.com, and allthingsworn.com. Yes, you can actually have the best of luck. They're both fetish websites and they can get creepy, but one thing I'll say is please never agree to meet with anyone. Do not meet anyone outside of the app. Do not decide to meet someone in a public place, or whether private or public. Do not agree, because a lot of these people are creepy. Just get your money online if it is something that you can do or something that you're up for. So yes, if it's something that you don't mind considering, you can do that. And those are the websites where you can sell pictures, just pictures of your feet. Yes, you'll be surprised. It's crazy and creepy out there. Yes, but jokes apart, you can make money from the comfort of your home doing the things that you love. Like I said, you can also become a freelancer. You can go on Fiverr and list the skills that you have, your products or your services. That's okay. If you're into copywriting, social media management, how can you find the clients? It's super easy. You can send a DM. You can DM businesses, maybe in your local, not even in your local community, abroad. Yes, because you can get a virtual assistant from across the world and you earn your money every month. So yes, just look for reputable businesses, because businesses have a name to protect, so no one can abscond with your money, because you're going to call them out. This is social media era and they don't want to get their name soiled. So reach out to companies abroad and see, send them a DM, a nicely crafted DM, and tell them how you can take the stress off of them by helping them with their social media postings. You can also help them to get clients increase their follower counts and engagements and brand visibility. Pitch the good stuff, pitch them with the things that you really want to do. And one thing I want to say that I can't overemphasize is having good work ethics. I've noticed a lot of people shy away from work. They don't want to put in the work. Never. They just want to make the money. They just want to enjoy the big bucks. Life doesn't operate that way. My mom used to say something. She used to say that the way you handle other people's businesses is exactly the way you are going to handle your business. And yes, at this point, if you're working currently with someone and you're just doing the barest minimum, it's not going to help you in business. When you set up your business, you will not be able to show for yourself. The same barest minimum you're putting in for other people is the same barest minimum you're putting in for your own business, and you cannot grow that way. You can never grow with barest minimum. Like I always say, when you put in part-time effort, you get part-time results. You put in full-time effort, put in quality effort, you get quality results. So yes, make sure that you build that great work ethics. You work for other people, you own it like it's yours. You treat it like it's your business. Make sure that you do everything possible in your power, within your capacity, to ensure that that person's business grows. That same way, when you start working for yourself, the universe has a way of aligning you to great things if you so deserve it. So you also have who want to work for you and go extra miles for you, because honestly, who you attract when you're not diligent yourself, you're going to attract people who are not diligent as well. So yes, try as much as you can to build that great work ethic. Business is not for the faint-hearted. You need to be tough. You need to be resilient. You need to be mentally resilient. You need to be mentally tough to be able to handle the challenges that come with businesses, with losses and moving on even after losses, paying salaries even when you're not making anything. You have to withstand the heat. Remember, as an entrepreneur, you bear the losses alone. You bear the profits alone too. So, better days are ahead, and I want to encourage you today. Start small. Never despise days of little beginnings. Start that business of your dream. Utilize all the strategies I'm sharing with you guys in my videos, and you're on your way to the top. I can assure you that. Yes, at this point, yes, I have a giveaway. If you want to enter for my giveaway, we have created a Telegram community. Go ahead and add 50 of your friends. I hope I said it before. Add 50 of your friends to my Telegram community, and you can win $100. $100. I'll be giving away $100 cash gifts, and I'll send it to you anywhere in the world, so long as you have MoneyGram or something, whatever it is that works in your region. I'm going to send the money to you. So all you need to do is share, copy from the description and in the comments. I'm going to pin it to the comments. Share it with your community. Share with your friends, your village members, your church members, your mosque members. Just share my Telegram link with them and tell them what to expect. Oh, okay, this is a channel that shares with you how to make money online. I'll be posting 3 times every day. Make sure you come to this video, come to this channel every day. You're going to be inspired. I promise you. You cannot be a member of this channel and still be broke. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So guys, I just wish you all the best of luck, and I will see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video.